Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix YouTube Connect to the internet. So as you can see here, it says you're offline, and basically I am not connected on YouTube to the internet right now. So a couple of things can happen on your device that causes this problem is if you by accident turn off your Wi-Fi, it could give you this option. So what you have to check is go into your control center. And then basically you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is on, and then sometimes there can be problems with your Wi-Fi. But if your Wi-Fi is working fine on, let's just say your laptop, you can enable your Wi-Fi. But for whatever reason, if your Wi-Fi is not working, then you will want to switch off your Wi-Fi. And sometimes people have this setting turned off where it says mobile data. You can see underneath sound, it says mobile data. So if you have Wi-Fi off and mobile data off, then there's no way for your phone to connect to the internet. So to make sure that after you turn off the Wi-Fi, you make sure that mobile data is in fact on. And the reverse is also true. If there's something wrong with your mobile data, then you can turn off your mobile data and you can enable Wi-Fi, and that should rectify the problem. And sometimes there can be just like some sort of issues with the YouTube app itself. So one thing that you can do is trying to restart your device and just see if that fixes the problem. But it's usually that there's something like your internet service provider is down at the moment on your Wi-Fi, for an example, or you have your mobile data switched off at the same time as your Wi-Fi. So just make sure that either the Wi-Fi is on or the mobile data. And then as you can see, if I now go into the YouTube app, okay, now if I go into the YouTube app, says back online, and basically if I refresh this, but I can basically play a video. So that's it. If this video helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.